recording right now. We are going to our friend's place. Today we're trying on another Russian dish. What's the name of the dish? Give me 2 seconds, I actually forgot.
Wait. He actually forgot the name of the dish? Indeed? Okay. You can see it's a very new dish.
Yeah, you can see around today. Nice sunny day, but temperature is
no, it's still fucked up. Like -4, -5. We don't even know.
We are going to cook. It's called hashap puri.
Hashap puri? It looks like I don't know, lasagna with bread. Pizza.
It's like bread. You cut it in half. You put cheese or eggs or something in the middle there. Looks like this though. Can you focus and see?
I don't know.
Yeah. If someone's editing the video, or just like
we're gonna edit it later.
Just put the pictures there. But so far,
so good. Let's go. We have to cross this way. It's not that far. It's like 30 minutes walk.
30 minutes walk.
We walk into our friend's place. Let's show you some of Russia, some of Arkhangelsk. Have a look.
Okay. Well, let's go this side.
Yeah.
Apparently, this is spring right now in Russia. So you can see some of the parts of the ice already melted. And yes, no leaves. Apparently pigeons are not scared of human. Like they won't fly away. Look. Bro just won't fly away. Can you fly away? Yeah, no, bro just won't fly away. I didn't say it, you said it. Yeah, you actually look like you're gonna rob someone.
Yeah, that's why I don't wear caps. This is our giant monster.
Giant monster, cheers mate.
Is it a vlog or?
Yes, it's a vlog. Cooking. I was puri.
A lot of cheese. A lot of cheese. No cheese. Yeah, only cheese inside.
I don't know, but damn, the outfit is fire.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, we're inside a Russian supermarket. I don't know if we're permitted to record or not, but yeah, whatever.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Okay. If we can't, we just say the upper.
Next person.
Yeah. Okay. There's a variety of juice. Okay, you want that? Let's go.
Follow the torch.
Yes, let's go.
Oh, you filming on camera? Oh.
Yes. No, there's no inappropriate stuff going on right now. Yeah, you can actually just take flip the lens if you wanted to.
I just wanted to show the Asian guy. The black guy. That's the white one. Oh, we have all the races here. We have Asian, black, and we have white. Yellow. Say yellow. Say yellow, come on.
Yeah, I'm yellow one.
Yeah, I'm the black one. I'm white. Yeah, that's the white one.
The white one's the tallest one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can just all be. Anyways, what's the meal again today?
The name is Hachipuri.
Hachipuri. Yes.
Hachipuri.
Yes.
It's a pie. We will make it close. Not cheese will be inside. Yeah, like pie. Yeah.
Yes. And no one knows the recipe yet.
Yeah.
Apparently, no one knows the recipe yet. We still have to find out. Yes.
Yeah.
I think I've seen this guy already. I think he's kind of popular. Yeah, popular cook.
Yeah. And
anyways, we'll come back when we found the rest of recipe.
I'm too lazy to watch the video again, so I'll do it how I feel. Yeah, and I hope it will be okay.
It's gonna be fine, I guess.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We have other things to be concerned about than the actual recipe.
Yeah. Like, yeah. Everything is set, bro.
Why? Why is everything inside?
Because everything is done. It's just this.
No, we need to do a lot of things. You can start cheese.
Yeah. Cut the cheese.
Right. Yeah. Right.
I just said cut the cheese. It's just cutting, yeah?
We have a lot of kinds of cheese.
Oh, shit.
At first we need this and this, and maybe it will be too
The cheese, guys. Yep. We have the Asian one. It's like grinding the cheese. I don't know, cutting the cheese.
So let's wash.
Done with grating cheese. Let's go see the dough. Yes. Sava needed the dough, so this would need about 40 minutes. 40 minutes to rest. We'll go back later. No one's panicking. The guy is still looking at the recipe. Yeah, we're good. We're fine. Don't worry about it. We have a lot of cheese to be stuffed in there.
Like a lot of boom, grinded it.
Okay. Try to be inappropriate. If there's no, how do I say it? We will cut the video later, but like, if there's not a lot of videos, then it's because there's a lot of bad words. Inappropriate language. Being like very racist and sexist at the same time, bro.
But I can say everything in Russian.
Yeah. What did you say?
I said that I like Kipuri, I like cooking with my friends.
That's a big lie.
No.
Like cooking with my friend. Was like, you pizza. In the middle?
Yeah.
How are we gonna mix it here then?
Yeah, we'll mix it, and we need to add 1 egg.
It smells good though. It looks like it's fresh.
Yes.
It smells like it's good.
It looks like it's fresh from the supermarket.
Yeah. From the supermarket, yeah. 1 egg plus like, I think this is like a kilo of cheese, I don't know. 30.
A spoon of flour. And I think we can add a little bit of butter.
No, alright, yeah. Surely.
Maybe you can
Cut butter
in small cubes. I don't know.
Little cubes, yeah.
How much? The whole thing?
No. That's around.
Let's cut part of it.
This one?
More.
I think maybe we will melt it a little bit to mix better.
Okay. How much do we need?
Cut just, I think, part of it like this.
Yeah.
Bro, it's melting. He's melting butter in a fucking microwave, but okay.
A little bit to be more salt.
We have the egg, the cheese, the whatever this is. Yeah.
Properly, but
It gives a fuck. It's not going to a restaurant or something. Yeah. We have a great cook right here. Damn. Just gonna mix it like that.
Do we need salt?
Sugar.
Salt, yeah.
Can you taste?
Sugar?
Yeah, you can taste.
Yeah, just keep it salt.
Sugar.
Some, no?
Yeah, please. With salt. I still remember. This guy just has everything, like literal everything.
Oh, I have salt. Oh.
No, not just that. Come on. If I'm allowed to actually open everything, you will see whatever.
Oh, this itches.
Damn, we have
Summer is
coming.
I don't know how, but this kitchen has everything. It's the perfect kitchen for making videos because you can see the lighting.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
literal. I don't even know. This is brighter than my future. You have lights everywhere.
Maybe to clean it a little bit, but
Beautiful out there. We have like more things here on the table.
You have enough
Cookies.
bowls.
Oh, this is a gift, by the way, from Sava's mom. Easter. Mira i... Is it Mira?
dobra.
I dobra. Ah,
Naszemu
okay.
domu.
Naszemu dom. Shut up.
Like this and
Yeah, whatever.
for your
In our homes. But okay, I want to read what's
yeah, I
written
don't know
here.
what to do next. We need to wait. Maybe I will.
Pascoy. Even one it was written on it, Snovim Godom. I'm gonna show you. Oh,
We can make salad.
Yeah.
Tomatoes and.
Snovim Godom. Happy New Year. And it's April.
Well, fair enough. Thailand New Year, we can say that.
Yeah, Thai New Year.
Yeah.
Oh, even Chinese New Year is soon, I think.
Yes.
So yeah, we are set actually.
Sorry.
These guys are like professionals. I'm just there to eat the food.
It's like cookie or some kind of cake. So, is this edible? The picture? Oh damn, the camera is actually fine though.
Yes.
I look fucking great in it.
This is so overwhelmingly big. I wish you can see the whole thing. Wait.
You can just put it there.
Yeah.
And it's good.
Wait, bro.
I just set my phone and just started to cut cucumbers, like to check. Oh, if I can be a vlogger for video.
And influencer how to
yeah,
cut. How did it go?
Cucumber
Oh, shit.
so yeah.
Cucumber cutting influencer.
Yeah.
And I dropped everything on the floor. Fuck.
Okay, we've waited for the dough for like 40 minutes. It has risen. We have some salads with us and we're ready to bake, I guess.
Not something big, like a little walk with him. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, much better. Much better. Oh shit.
So I really hope that it will be tasty and good. But
Chef Sava.
I do it for the first time in my life, so.
It's alright. Looks fucking good already. I'm excited. No, yeah. What do you think, Bumpet?
I have no idea. I have not made this meal before.
Ever? I have
Did you
no
try
idea.
it? Did you try it?
I don't think so.
No?
No,
You have to in one of the Georgian restaurants. They're really good.
Never even thought about going to a Georgian restaurant before.
I'm in Russia.
Like, why would I go to a Georgian restaurant?
But we don't have any Russian restaurants.
Like typical Russian restaurant? Like with only Russian meals? No?
Two of them good one. Maybe the
That you don't know, yeah. Some bad?
Yeah. I don't know about bad places in there. Only good one.
Yeah. Some flex right there. That's some flex right there.
I don't like the bad reputation shit.
I go where it's good and expensive.
There should be, I don't know, maybe Sina.
Yes, I think Sina is really
Yeah.
rapid and
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah.
And I can give you.
You can do it too. It's gonna be fun anyways.
That's fine. You can do this.
Yeah, let's go.
But she's pressed a little bit and then.
Now the Asian guy is doing it too. Choop. Bro,
Yes. Yeah, I have to do two things at the same time. People assume the word. I'm like, no, this is what we do.
we just cook. We just cook. We are good kids. What do you do on the weekend? I just cook with my friend. Like, what do you do on the weekend?
Like that, like this.
Should I just keep going with this? Yeah, go for it.
I hope it will be close. I don't know.
Yeah, it is. Oh, good.
And
Voila.
now we need to just like that. We spread it and
Straight to the baker.
it looks very good. And the whole thing is cheese. Oh, fucking
It's like
yeah.
cheese.
Cheese. So everyone loves cheese. Yeah.
Every Russian loves cheese.
And you don't like cheese?
I'm just lactose intolerant. Oh yeah, he is lactose intolerant.
Really?
Oh yeah. The face, bro.
Why didn't you tell me?
He's gonna die. You know, it's gonna be
He will
awful.
eat salad, so it's okay.
Healthy food for you, you know.
Juice.
Hey, bruh. That's healthy food for you, bro.
No, really? And you will not eat?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually. Bro was so concerned. It's all good, bro. It's like rolling the chapati. Bruh. Okay. Getting there.
Maybe a little bit thinner. Nice. And we need to do a hole, yeah, for it not to.
Bro is fingering the.
Wait, Eddie.
Bro is fingering
Eddie.
our food, bro. We really have like chicken and pictures and everything. Everything's set. Good, yeah? Or thinner? Wait, let me do it too. I want to do it. With this? Yes. Alright. Tick.
There. So maybe it's okay.
Chino?
Already.
From this side.
The
Other side. So we poke a hole in there? Yeah.
yeah. Now we.
Only one side. Okay. Flop it here. Okay.
They will spread a little bit and deformate, but it's okay.
Damn. Okay, I sent 15 fucking messages. 15 fucking. I just had a video. Okay, so after we put our finger in there, we oil it up. Okay, it went. I'm done. Wait. Okay, everything's in the oven. How long? How much? Oh, you don't.
15 minutes maybe.
Okay.
We will see.
No one knows.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
It looks good, bro. We need to bake it again.
Yeah. It's not
Okay.
ready.
Let's back into the oven. Okay, looks good. Okay. Voila.
We can press it a little bit to get colder, but I can cut it. Check it from. Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Shoot. Very hot.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, it's super hot. Not only very hot, it's super hot. Oh, the sound, that's good pastry right there. Crispy.
But
Okay, this is what the final product looked like. Focus. Focus. Yeah, there you go. It's like basically with cheese. With cheese, yes.
Yeah,
It's taste test.
it's very good.
Taste test.
Very hot.
Oh.
Very good.
Mm.
I like it. Leave me alone. Let me eat, bro.
You want to take it home?
Yes. Yeah, we'll cut this video for today. Thank you for our vlog. We're tired of filming today already. Let's just have eat. Blah blah.